Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for dropping in. Today I did a tutorial on the look you see right here. This was the second time using my Carli Bybel ABH palette, and I have to say I really like how this look turned out, especially compared to the first time I used this palette. I really love how the shimmer looks on the lid, how it's kind of like a duochrome. I am obsessed with it. But if you want to see how I did this, then you can just keep on watching, and if you have any questions on the products I use, I always list them in the description box below. But without further ado, let's get into it. As a disclaimer, if you hear weird jingling in the background, it's because my cat has decided to take a bath right behind me. But anyway, so first things first, I'm going to use this little Cala crease blending brush here, and I'm going to first go in with this nice peachy shade right here, and I'm just going to focus that in my crease and then also bring it down to my lower lash line as well. So now I'm going to use my AOA Studio E130 brush and just continue building up that color. So to bring that down to my lower lash line, I'm just going to use my e.l.f. eye crease brush. So now I'm just going to use my AOA Studio E128 brush and just continue building up that peachy shade, now more focusing it closer to my crease. Alright, so now that I have that nice peachy shade built up how I want it, I'm going to go back in the palette to this nice kind of cranberry shade right here, and I'm just going to focus that closer to my lash line down here, as well as focus it in my crease right here just to deepen it up a little bit. So for my lower lash line for that kind of cranberry shade, I'm using my AOA Studio E134 brush. So I really want to try out using this gorgeous shimmer right here, which almost looks like it could be a pink-blue duochrome kind of situation. So I'm going to take some NYX glitter primer and just tap that on my lid with my finger, and then I will go in with this shimmer and put it where I put the glitter primer. Oh my gosh, so I just picked up that shimmer with my finger. Isn't that so pretty? It is like a duochrome from like blue to pink. I love that. I'm obsessed. Look at how pretty that looks. Oh my gosh. So now I'm just taking that cranberry shade again and I'm just adding it to my outer corner. So for my eyeliner, I'm going to use my usual NYX Epic Ink Liner. Alright, so I was not planning on doing winged liner, and I just kind of did it, and it turned out pretty good, so go me! But when my eyeliner dries, I'm going to curl my lashes and then pop on some of this NYX On The Rise Volume Liftscara. So once my mascara dries, I'm going to go in with some lashes. I'm going to use the AOA Studio lashes in the style called Nora. So since I have that really pretty like purple reflect on my lid, I want to bring that purple down below. So I'm going to use this LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner in the shade Vivid right here, and I'm just going to put that in my waterline down here. So final step is I'm going to take this little Real Techniques detail brush right here, and I'm going to dip into this kind of pearly shade right here, and I'm going to apply that to my inner corner and my brow bone and use it as a highlight. So here is the final look. I have to say I like how this look turned out a lot better than the first look I did using this palette. I feel like the mattes I used in this look were just a lot more user-friendly and easier to work with. But it's still a really beautiful palette. I love how this turned out. So if you like this video, feel free to leave a like on your way out, and feel free to subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more from me. But for now, I will insert a clip of what this looks like in natural lighting, and I will see you all in my next video.